This is the summary created from the video, Cloud Computing Introduction. The video provides an overview of cloud computing foundations, setting the stage for more advanced concepts to follow. Cloud computing enables on-demand access to shared, configurable resources characterized by self-service, broad network access, resource pooling, measured services, and rapid elasticity. Essential components include massive scalability, resilience, homogeneity, geographic distribution, and virtualization, forming a service-oriented architecture aimed at low costs, advanced security, data preservation, and resilience. The cloud offers three main service models: software as a service, providing applications accessible through web browsers or mobile apps; platform as a service, offering development and deployment platforms with databases, web servers, and tools; and infrastructure as a service, providing virtualized computing resources like VMs, servers, storage, and networks. Cloud deployment models include private clouds built in-house for internal infrastructure and services, public clouds offering IaaS, PaaS, or SaaS models accessible to the public, hybrid clouds combining public, private, and community components, and community clouds serving specific groups or sectors with shared goals. Virtualization plays a pivotal role in cloud computing, allowing multiple operating systems to run on a single physical hardware through hypervisors and virtual machine managers, enabling dynamic resource provisioning and near-native performance while offering benefits like testing, backup, and hardware independence. While the cloud offers advantages such as on-demand resource provisioning and cost savings, it also raises concerns around performance, reliability, service-level agreements, security, compliance, data and service parameter management, limited application customization, and lack of provider interoperability standards. Cloud storage is a significant aspect, enabling local data caching on devices and syncing with remote storage. Key advantages include lower computing costs, improved performance, reduced software costs, unlimited storage, data reliability, universal access, and group collaboration, while potential drawbacks include constant internet connection requirements, slower performance, limited features, and the risk of stored data loss. The video concludes by highlighting key takeaways, including on-demand, configurable resources via service models, virtualization enabling dynamic resource provisioning, private, hybrid, and community deployment models, reliability and security concerns for critical needs, local caching and remote storage syncing, lower costs but constant internet requirements, and an introduction to subsequent modules on different architectures. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.